Hello friends, make any washing up job fun with Sweepy's new reusable cleaning sponges. Whether it's used in the shower to wash your body or in the kitchen to clean up those dirty dishes, this high quality sponge will get the job done. These clever sponges are great for cleaning. They are reusable as they can be washed after use. They are made in a single hooping and require only a small amount of hand stitching to seal the final opening where it was turned through. We used toweling for the backs of our sponges and found that it worked great. However, just make sure it's good quality toweling so that it won't come apart when you turn the sponge the right way out at the very end. Full photo instructions and directions are included with your purchase. It is our intention to offer you the best service always and for our designs to be of the highest quality. Start cleaning your dishes in style. Go to swpea.com. That is swpea.com. Happy crafting.